Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have a product that came from Amazon. This box was in a plastic mailer, and in that box is this beautiful tray. I left it wrapped because I wanted you to see how well it's wrapped. This is a desk organizer, or you can use this for many things. Look at how pretty that mesh is, and everything is wrapped so nicely for protection. You have this beautiful basket. This is the base of it. This is called the HOPECK brand desk drawer organizer tray for office and home. It's a metal mesh stacking tray. You can have more than one tray and stack them on top. And look at how cute this is. It's got the handles on it. It's got rubber feet on the bottom, and you can use that just like that. It also comes with this tray. See, everything is wrapped very nicely. And look at that. This has the rubber feet as well. And you can use this on your desktop, in your desk drawer, both on your desktop, both in the drawers, whatever you want to do, or you could put it together. This can go, it comes with little pieces you can stack. You can stack this, excuse me. I don't have the little pieces out, but you can stack it, or you can turn this and put it inside the basket and use it that way. So I thought this would be really nice for makeup, because this is basically, it's made for your desk at work or at home. But I thought it would be great for makeup. You could put some palettes in here. And let me see if I can get this to stand. See, it's just, it comes with these little things. And it is, let me tell you a little bit about it. It's a double layer structure. It's a drawer organizer for neatly containing your items. Ideal for all accessories like pens, paper clips, scissors, notepads, all that kind of thing can fit in here. I'm thinking mascaras, eyeliners, eyeshadow, separate eyeshadows, blushes, things like that. And maybe some palettes down here below. What do you think? What do you think about that? So these little clips, I'm gonna have to take a look at them and figure out how that goes. All right, I'm thinking I may have to do it and come back because I can see it in the picture. And anyway, but this is a high standard product, durable steel mesh and smooth treatment of all edges, which is true. None of the edges have any snags to them. Really nice and smooth. And then there's, you can use this for your sticky notes. That's perfect, because then you can pull them out right here. And I just love that this has the handles on both ends. So you can keep these separate. I'm also thinking I might do that. Keep these separate, and you can put tall items in here. You can put this in the bathroom even. You can put hairsprays, dry shampoo, things like that. And let me see if I can connect this and I'll be back. All right, 2 of these fit on the corners. And then 2 of these, I'm having a little trouble putting this on. I'm gonna have to get some help. They will go here. And then this tray will sit on top, and that holds it in place. And those other 2 pieces will hold it in place up here. When I get that on properly, it'll hold the corner. I just have to get it around there, and I'm having trouble. I'm gonna have to get some help from somebody that's a little bit stronger than me. But then you have your double tray. So I just, and then you can, the nice thing about that is you haven't secured that on there. It's holding it up there nicely with these units, these little corner units, but you can take it off anytime. So this is for paper, basically. Like I said, I'm maybe palettes and your pens and paper clips and such like that. So very nice product from HOPECK. It's a desk drawer organizing tray for office or home. And they sent me this free for review. And I think it's really nice. It's a very nice metal, mesh metal, and it will last a very long time. So thank you to HOPECK for sending that to me. And thank y'all for watching, and count your blessings, y'all. Bye-bye.